Hello, today I'm making spicy tamarind chicken. Welcome back to How to Cook It. I have chicken thighs, skin on, bone in. This is 1 kg, which is 2.2 pound. I will start with some coconut oil. First, we have all the coconut oil in the pan, and now we're gonna put the chicken in. 1 teaspoon cumin seeds. 4 green cardamom, 1 star anise, 2 dried chili, 1 teaspoon of black peppercorn, salt and pepper, and half a cup of curry leaves. Now we got the heat on medium and we will cook for 6 minutes. 6 fresh chilies, 2 cups of onion, 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic, and then stir 4 minutes. 1 teaspoon of cumin and coriander, 1 teaspoon of chili powder and turmeric, and stir for 2 minutes. 300 ml of water and cook for 10 minutes.
6 or 10 minutes?
10.
Not 6?
Yes.
10?
Yes.
10 minutes.
1 tablespoon of tamarind paste. Cook for 3 minutes. Job done. And there we have it. It's my beautiful tamarind chicken. Lots of love.
Thanks a lot for getting to the end of the video. If you'd like to give me a thumbs up, that does help us out quite a lot with the algorithm and such like. Subscribe if you like, you'll get notified about what we're doing. There's a thanks button if you want to donate. See you soon.